Vitalized Greens and Protein is an investment in your health, both now and in the long run. Supports detoxification, energy and muscle building without artificial additives, in a pleasant form to drink. Vitalized Greens and Protein is great choice for people with low vegetable and plant protein intake. It's also great choice for busy people looking for a healthy meal in a convenient form. For active people, convalescents, athletes and vegans who want to supplement their diet with natural sources of vitamins and protein. Vitalized Greens and Protein provides you with a very high-quality blend of superfoods including barley grass, spinach, broccoli and spirulina. It also contains wheatgrass, kale, chlorella, acerola fruit extract combined with bioavailable plant protein from beans, rice, and peas. Barley grass is a good source of many nutrients, including chlorophyll, fiber, polyphenols, flavonoids, enzymes, and vitamins A, C, and E. Spinach contains carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin, vitamins A, C, and K1, folic acid, iron, and calcium. It's also high in insoluble fiber. Broccoli offers important nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and E, potassium, calcium, and iron. It's also a rich source of antioxidants and bioactive compounds such as glucosinolates, sulforaphane, and indole-3 carbonyl. Spirulina is a blue-green and highly nutritious algae containing protein, copper, iron, and B vitamins. A main component of spirulina is called phycocyanin, which is an antioxidant that also gives it its unique color. Wheatgrass is an excellent source of chlorophyll, antioxidants, enzymes, and other important nutrients. Kale delivers antioxidants, fiber, vitamins K, C, A, B2, and minerals such as potassium, manganese, magnesium, and calcium. Chlorella provides many nutrients including protein, B and C vitamins, iron, antioxidants, magnesium, zinc, copper, potassium, calcium, fiber, and omega-3. Acerola fruit extract is a rich source of vitamin C and contains beta-carotene, lutein, and B vitamins. This branded blend of vegan protein sources, Vital Pro XP, provides the same bioavailability and completeness of protein as whey protein. All natural with a pleasant taste. It's also vegan, non-GMO and gluten-free supplement contains no unnecessary ingredients or fillers. Why the need for greens and protein? Just because vegetables and protein are the foundations of a healthy diet. They provide a rich mix of vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, and beneficial compounds like flavonoids and antioxidants. Eating a variety of vegetables and fruits ensures you get a broad range of essential nutrients. Protein energizes your cells and strengthens your body. They contributes to the growth and maintenance of muscles. So, whether you're pushing your limits at the gym or managing everyday activities, protein works consistently to promote muscle development. Over time, protein helps preserve muscle mass, keeping you active, resilient, and strong as you age. Protein helps maintain healthy bones by providing the structure they need to stay healthy. Enjoy Vitalized Greens and Protein and help make healthy living simpler and more effective. Interested in this product? Think it might be right for you? Find out if it's exactly what you need. Link in the description.